Well, hello, welcome to Healthier Lifestyles with Linda Miller. I'm Coach Linda. Today we are making chicken breast salad. I baked about 6 breasts earlier and I'm only using 4. So I have about 4 pounds of chicken breast. I season them with garlic powder, onion powder, Dale's marinade. So it's really seasoned. I'm not going to put any additional seasoning on here. Okay, for time's sake, I already hand shredded the chicken breast, and I have diced onions and celery. I normally like to use red onions, but I didn't have any, so I went with the white onions. We're going to add this to our chicken salad. Shredded chicken. It's not chicken salad yet. We're going to mix it in there. Some people like to put boiled eggs in theirs, but I decided chicken's enough. We don't need to have the egg too. But you can put it. If I was presenting it to company, I might put boiled eggs on top. Next, I'm going to add sweet relish. There's only 25 calories per tablespoon. If you're watching your carbs, you could use dill pickles. You can dice up some dill pickles, but I'm going with the sweet relish this time. And it's only in there for taste. So we're getting that good and mixed up. Next, I'm using light mayo. There's about 35 calories and no carbs per tablespoon. Let's start out with about 5 tablespoons and mix them in. Now this is going to feed about 6 people over a couple of days, making sandwiches and salad. We're mixing it all up. Get that? And it's getting blended very well. You can add more mayo if you would like, or you can use salad dressing. It's all up to what your family likes. Okay, next I'm going to add in some pecans, whatever you call it, halves. That little surprise. Who wants to put raisins in theirs? I always threaten to put raisins in here. But you know, it actually tastes pretty good. There we go. Now, chopped roasted peppers. They're not hot. And if you cooked with me, you know I like a little color. And some basil. I'm going to mix that in. Look, there we're going. It's almost finished. Smoked paprika. Wipe the sides down. My hands are clean. You know that. There you go. Chicken salad. Enjoy. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Like and subscribe. God bless.